Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Even though it's a long time ago, I was test shooting of the camera, Fujifilm camera. Well, actually this is a digital back for 120, I think. Well, pretty good camera, and this is my subject today. And also I made this pencil drawing type of image by Adobe Photoshop, used filter called Fine Edges. Well, pretty nice pencil drawing type of image, pretty clear. That's nice. Well, these two images, I'm gonna get something creative, something interesting, a pretty impressive image. Well, let's get started. Well, I'm gonna check this blend mode first. Change blend mode from normal to darken. Multiply. Pretty nice, huh? Because pencil drawing type image is so clear. That's why it's so nice, clear image. Color burn. Linear burn, lighten. This is very nice. Screen, yeah. Luminosity. I like it. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna fix this image now. Okay. Select multiple. Then select two layers. Okay, duplicate layers. Now merge selected. I got this image fixed on one layer. Now I'm gonna duplicate layer, make it darker, more colors. So I'm gonna change blend mode normal to multiply. But this is too dark, I think. So turn down opacity, maybe about 60. Now I'm gonna merge down. Okay, this is the luminosity effect layer. Let's change name first. Okay, luminosity effect layer. It's blend mode normal now. Now I'm going to move this pencil drawing type image, go up, then bring this blend mode to darken, or well, multiply, then tone down about 50. Then I'm gonna duplicate this layer, just leave it one of the top. Then I'm gonna change second one, change blend mode, multiply to bring this one back to normal. Then I'm gonna make create empty mask, then invert mask. Then I'm gonna reveal this. Opposite way. Okay. Invert mask. Now I'm hiding this pencil drawing type image. Shows luminosity effect layer. Show this color. Okay, I'm going to touch up more later, but I want, well, since this is Fresco, I can use watercolor brush. I'm going to reveal later, but now I'm going to add layer, and then choose watercolor brush. Watercolor round detail first. Then watercolor wash flat, no ink, only water, go bigger, water flow. Change brush to watercolor wash soft. then a little bit greener, like some color. Again, now this is the color. I'm going to reveal this, go back to this with the pastel square. I mean hide the pencil drawing type image to show the colors. Okay, now I want to show the base image here. So I'm going to create empty mask on this luminosity effect layer. Then again, I'm going to hide. Okay, I'm going to move back and forth on this pencil drawing type image and also luminosity effect layer image. Then I want to show the color of this kimonos. And also this one. Okay, now change to this. I'm going to turn this one off. Okay, now next one. Turn on. Okay. Now working on both. Alright. I guess it's not much big difference. What I'm doing now is, well, I guess that's it. Gray, saddle colors, image. $75. Yeah, background watercolor image, real saddle, and this is pencil drawing type 50% dark. Then I working on these two layers. Both of them are normal blend mode, but this one is pencil drawing type on darken, I think. Was it? No. This one is multiply. This is normal. Yeah, okay. I got the image from here with mask. These two images has mask to get this base image right. Pretty complicated this time, but I made watercolor background combined to some pencil drawing type pastel. This is pastel square. Yeah, pastel square texture on this. Masks. To get this kind of texture expression. Well, illustration. Well, thank you again. Thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys support. I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, you guys have a nice day and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.